Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of August, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this pattern. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of nearly -5% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -22.72% to positive 3.55%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of 176.89% over the next year, with expected returns between 145.7% and 261.40%. This equates to a potential price range of approximately $292.54 to $431.41 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Nvidia stock price increased by 1.51% on the last trading day, Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, rising from $117.59 to $119.37. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.86%, with a day low at $117.22 and a day high of $121.75. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 4.18% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day by 116 million shares, with a total of 331 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $39.53 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $140.76, while the lowest was $39.23. Currently, the price is 15.2%, or $21.39, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia's stock has recently experienced a significant sell-off, despite the company reporting strong earnings for the second quarter that surpassed Wall Street expectations. This decline has raised concerns about whether the stock is overvalued amid ongoing enthusiasm for artificial intelligence technology. Analysts indicate that while Nvidia has been a leader in this sector, the market is responding to signs of a slowdown in its data center growth, which may signal potential volatility ahead. Meanwhile, Nvidia continues to innovate, with its new Blackwell chips anticipated to enhance its competitive advantage in AI applications. However, delays in the rollout of these chips add to the uncertainty surrounding the stock. As investors consider these factors, the outlook remains cautious. Although the S&P 500 has shown resilience and earnings are projected to see a moderate increase, Nvidia may face limited upside, leading analysts to recommend a hold rating. In the short term, this volatility may attract a buy-the-dip strategy from opportunistic investors, looking to capitalize on price declines. However, in the long term, if market conditions lead to a reevaluation of Nvidia's valuation in relation to its growth potential, further adjustments might be on the horizon. Additionally, the focus on robotics as a promising area for growth introduces another layer of speculation, potentially influencing stock performance as it shifts investor sentiment. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned NVDA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $124.35. In the event of a decline, the stock is expected to find support from the long-term average at around $117.33. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored closely. Negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 19, 2024, and since then the stock has decreased by 8.18%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 198 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $109.63 and $109.21. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this breaks, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $109.63. If this breaks, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $109.21 and $100.45. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.53 between its high and low, or 3.86%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 69 cents. It's wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $121. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $109.63. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Huang Zhenshun, who bought and sold 39,377 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of minus 97.068. Overall, insiders acquired 0 shares and sold 1,242,189 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $114.85, reflecting a decrease of 3.79%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 17 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis from a sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, we expect Nvidia to open up a little over 7 cents and begin trading at $119.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.